किड्यान सपनों की उड़ान।
Singing in the Rain. Today's story is written by Mala Kumar, published by Pratham Books. Sukhiya Kaka lived in a village called Bituana. Bituana was famous all over Rajasthan for its singers. No celebration was complete without Sukhiya Kaka's sweet songs. Today he had been invited to village Chalora. Sukhiya Kaka twirled his big moustache and set off. He was singing Rag Malhar. Come to me, O rolling clouds. Suddenly he heard dub, 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 dub. Was someone giving beat to his song? Dinoo, the Spinosaurus dinosaur, came running towards him. Sukhiya Kaka was so happy to see him. You don't get such a big listener every day. Let's start singing together. Come to me, O rolling clouds, shower me with lovely rain. Sukhiya Kaka and Dinoo sang a duet and did a little jig to keep time. The clouds just had to listen to them. Lightning flashed and the wind danced. Dark clouds came rolling in. Sukhiya Kaka and Dinoo laughed with joy. As the rain came pouring down, Sukhiya Kaka and Dinoo shared a small umbrella. Then off they went to Jhalora, following the smell of yummy pakoras, singing, "Oh, thank you for the lovely rain." So, my dear listeners, have you ever seen a dinosaur? Do you think they would have sung songs? And what do you like to do in rain? What do you like to eat when it rains? Please share your answers in the comments. And we have a listener here too. So Mir, how did you find the story?
I like the story. Do you know dinosaurs didn't know how to sing songs? I will like to share some facts about Spinosaurus with my friends. One is that Spinosaurus is the king of all dinosaurs. And the one fact is that Spinosaurus can stay in the water and stay in the land. And one fact is that Spinosaurus is a carnivore. And one fact is about Spinosaurus that he is the very scariest dinosaur ever in the world.
Thank you, Mir, for such interesting facts. Now we know a lot about Spinosaurus. For such interesting stories, keep listening to Kidyaan, Sapno Ki Udaan.
Please subscribe Kidyaan too, and please stay healthy and strong.